A jazzful morning to all of you, dear students. It's Miraculous Monday, and I am back with EVS class. But before starting today's class, just listen to this audio and try to identify the sounds. Are you able to identify these sounds? These are the chirping sounds of birds which you can hear early in the morning. Don't you think they are the real musicians of the nature? And they create a curiosity to learn more about them. So, let's start our today's work. The name of the lesson is Birds Are Feathered Friends. We are going to learn about birds, and we will learn about the types of beaks of birds which they have according to their own feeding habits. We will learn about the importance of wings and feathers. We will learn about feet and claws, and we will learn about the different material used for building nests also. Do you know, children? Birds are an indispensable part of nature. Means they are very important and necessary part of nature. They provide color to the nature and are an integral part of food chains. Birds have a streamlined body. You can say the shape of the body is somewhat like a boat, which is narrow at the front and at the back, but broad in the middle. This shape helps it to cut through the air. A bird has a very light body made up of hollow bones and thin plates. Because their bones are hollow, that's why their weight is very light. The wings are attached to the body with the help of powerful muscles. Wings are covered with different types of feathers. A bird's tail helps it to change its direction while flying. Look at the picture of this bird. You can see the different parts clearly. A bird has two eyes, a beak, a head or crown, two wings, one tail, two claws, and a belly. Let us learn more about beak of the birds. Do you know, children? Birds don't have teeth. They eat with help of their beak. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. Birds may use their beaks to carry grass, twigs, and other things to make their nest. Look at the picture. A parrot has a strong, curved beak, which helps to crack open nuts and seeds. On the other hand, a sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have a short beak to pick up and crush seeds. A duck has a broad, flat beak. It scoops the muddy water. The mud and the water flow out through holes on the sides. The little plants and insects from the muddy water stay inside the beak for the duck to eat. Here is another bird which is known as a hummingbird. It feeds on flower nectar, so it needs a beak which is like a drinking straw. It is a long hollow tube. The hummingbird sticks its long beak deep into a flower and sips the nectar. Eagles, vultures, and owls kill small animals. They eat flesh of other animals. So, they need strong, sharp, hooked beaks to tear up the flesh. So, they have such kind of beaks. A heron eats fish. It has a long pointed beak like a spear. It pokes the fish with its beak and lifts it out of the water. You can see the picture of the heron, which is having a fish in between its beak. The next bird is a woodpecker. Do you know a woodpecker eats insects, but it can't catch insects directly from the air. That's why a woodpecker taps the bark of a tree with its sharp pointed beak. It makes a hole in the bark to pull out insects to eat. Its bill is like a chisel. Just look at the picture. Can you identify the picture? Yes, this is a picture of ostrich. You know what is special about birds like ostrich and emu? These are the birds which cannot fly. As they cannot fly, that's why they are called flightless birds. Instead of flying, they can run very fast. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest bird, you know. Even then, it can run at the speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Isn't it fast? Yes, it's very fast. Students, for flying, birds need to move their wings in a particular pattern so that they can move forward and they can move upward also. There are specially two types of movements which birds follow. The first one is upstroke and second one is downstroke. In upstroke, the wings move upward and backward. You can see the picture. This bird is using upstroke. The wings are going upward and backward. Whereas in downstroke, the wings move downward and forward. That's all in today's session. I will see you tomorrow with more information on birds. Till then, you have to take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.